Good morning, Buenos Dias. If you're new to the channel, I'm Dia, and I have made a 28-day fitness challenge. Today we're working shoulders. Yes, that's right. You'll see them. Now let's go kill them shoulders. Alright you guys, we are starting our warm-up with a superset of banded front and side raises. We are doing 15 reps. Then we are doing banded delt flies for another 15 reps. We are doing that warm-up for 2 sets. If it seems a little confusing, I do have the workout down below. Our first workout is going to be a superset. We're doing side lateral raises with a seated Arnold press. We are doing 4 sets of 10 reps each. Our next exercise is cable rear delt flies. We're doing 4 sets of 8 to 12 reps. And finally, our last exercise, cable front raises. We are doing 4 sets of 8 to 12 reps as well. Welcome back you guys. I hope you enjoyed that workout. So tomorrow is rest day, but check back tomorrow to get a little sneak peek of what I eat. If you have any questions or concerns, do comment down below. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe and hit the little bell icon so you can keep up to date with my 28-day fitness challenge. We're back at it again with day number
6.